everyone, yung Mama Betcha here. So today, i-share ko lang sa inyo kung paano yung proseso sa pagda-drop off. So supposedly, sa Shell station dapat kami magda-drop off. Galing kami doon kanina. However, sarado yung office ng Shell station dahil daw day off yata ng staff. So, walang mag-a-assist sa mga drop-off ng Lazada. So, since as a seller, we don't want any delay sa mga order ng ating customers, of course, as much as possible, we have to look for another drop-off location. So, papunta tayo ng Pera Hub. So, kung napanood nyo yung previous video ko, I shared to you yung link ng mga drop-off location. And if you have noticed, kung saan man kayo, sa Pasig man kayo o kung saan man location nyo, most of the drop-off location are located sa Shell stations tsaka mga Pera Hub. So, papunta tayo, samahan nyo ako and I'll see you later. Okay, ayan. So, ito na yung mga orders natin and we are now at Pera Hub. Ayan siya. So, Pera Hub or Western Union, and as you can see, ito yung drop-off box ng Lazada. So, if you're dropping off your items in Shell or in Pera Hub location, ito yung itsura niya. So, dito niya ipapasok yung mga orders. But of course, your orders needs to be scanned. So, what you need to do is, you give it to the staff of Pera Hub since nasa kanila yung scanner. As I've said earlier, impromptu lang yung video na to, hindi ka talaga plan, but i-insert ko na lang siya in one of my tutorials. So ayan, si Madam. So what she does is get the scanner and then in-scan niya isa-isa. Okay, how many? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 orders. Medyo matumal ngayon, pero okay na to kaysa wala, diba? So, ito yung drop-off guidelines, by the way. So, if you're a seller, feel free na lang to read kung ano meron dito. And they have reminders here, especially dun sa printout ng barcodes, because sometimes may mga seller na hindi readable yung mga barcodes. So, as I've said in one of my tutorials, very important po na readable po yung ating mga barcode para walang delay. Okay? So, right after in-scan ng staff ng inyong drop-off location, so you need to put it in the box. Ayan, shoot nyo lang siya. Ayan. Okay? Ayan. There. So, ganyan lang kadali yung process ng ating drop-off. In one of my drop-off siguro sa Shell, I will be also be doing a video. So, antabayanan niya lang po. Thank you so much for watching! Ayan. So, I'm back now sa sasakyan and hindi ko nasabi kanina pala dun sa drop-off na as soon as ma-scan yung mga items nyo, it will send you a notification dun sa email address na ni-register nyo. And makikita nyo doon kung ilang items yung din-drop off nyo. And syempre, as a seller, you have to check rin before dropping off. You have to count din kung ilang parcels or ilang packages yung i-drop off nyo sa mga drop-off location. Okay? So, there. Pag may chance tayong mag-vlog or mag-video ulit sa drop-off sa Shell, I will be doing that as well. Pero, same pa rin din naman ang proseso. Regardless kung ano yung kung saan kayo magda-drop off. Hello everyone! Mama Betcha here and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa aking channel, paki-subscribe, like, and click the notification bell for more updates as I will be posting new videos weekly. So, today is day 2. We are going to try mag-drop off sa Shell. So, kung nakita niyo sa previous video natin, we were able to drop off sa Pera Hub or Western Union. And today, hopefully open na yung Shell kung saan tayo usually nagda-drop off, okay? Medyo maulan today, but eto, nakasasakyan naman tayo. Minsan nagja-jeep lang ako pag nagda-drop off, so depende sa dami ng orders. So there, I'll see you later sa Shell station drop off. So, this is the Shell station kung saan tayo nagda-drop off. Ayan. So, this is the Shell station kung saan tayo nagda-drop off. And as you can see, same box siya dun sa Pera Hub na pinag-drop offan natin yesterday. Ayan. Same thing, meron siyang mga paalala sa mga sellers. Okay? So, same process. You have to give it to the staff, yung mga parcels or orders. And of course, she is going to set the scanner into ready. Ayan, si Miss Heidi. Siya usually nag-ano. So, the Shell station staff, katulad din sa Pera Hub, all they need to do is just scan all of your parcels. Ayan siya. And then, later to verify kung nagmamatch yung number ng parcels nyo versus dun sa scanner na ginamit. Of course, sasabihin naman usually ng staff yan kung ilan. Okay, can I borrow? Ayan. So, usually, this is what the scanner looks like and it will show you kung ilang parcels yung binarel or in-scan. Okay. So, as easy as that. And then, after dyan, i-confirm lang and then it will notify. Ayan. It will notify you kung ilang parcels sa email. Thank you. Alright. And then, same thing, isushoot nyo lang ulit sa box. There. Okay. So, that's it. Ayan. Okay, so, as easy as that. Ganun lang po siya kadali, mga kayo mamas. So, depende na yan. I suggest kung seller kayo is you drop off every day para mas mabilis yung arrival ng mga packages or yung mga orders ng ating customers. Okay, so that's it. I hope na may natutunan kayo for our today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, paki-like and paki-click yung notification bell. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye! Ayan, so our bonus for today's video is a clip or a picture that I'm sharing to you. If you notice, yan po ay truck ng Lazada. So, if your orders are bigger than the shoe boxes and above 3 kilograms, and also if it reaches 100 pieces or 100 orders and up. So, yung Lazada mismo yung pupunta sa inyo, kung sa home office or kung saan nyo man ina-operate yung online shop nyo. So, nakikita nyo sa truck mismo, it was last year's online revolution, yung 11/11 or 12/12. na kung saan maramihan po talaga yung sales. So, there. So, I hope na ma-inspire kayo sa mga tutorials or sa mga videos na sinishare ko. I'm so sorry if I'm still not comfortable sa camera, but I did try my best na ma-share because I think that's the best way to show it, lalo na yung pag-drop off ng ating mga parcels. Okay, so I'll see you next time in my tutorials, and thank you for watching.